Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 5, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Sheet. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is fill in the blanks and matching from exercise chapter 5, lecture number 27. My beloved students, already we have finished the discussion in physical class. Most of the section already finished, but few sections are remain. Very soon the subject teacher will finish the discussion. After finishing the discussion, we will face the fill in the blanks or matching and MCQ. My beloved students, keep attention. MCQ will not come in the exam. This pattern is totally cancelled from the PECE. So from the government, that's why the question pattern will be fill in the blanks, matching, short question and broad question. That's why in your exercise chapter 5 there are MCQ, but we will not solve that MCQ. We will do the fill in the blanks and matching. So let's start the first fill in the blanks. First question is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in dash clan. Clan means you can say the tribe also. So born in dash clan means Quraish clan. Quraish, Quraish. Quraish, Quraish clan. Number 2, Fizar battle was imposed on the Quraish by dash tribe, by Qais tribe. K-A-Y-A-S, Qais. Qais is another tribe's name. So Fizar battle was imposed. Imposed means given the offense on the Quraish by Qais tribe. Okay, now question number 3, fill in the blanks number 3. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to meditate in the caves of the dash mountain. You know, Hira mountain. H-E-R-A, Hira. Now number 4, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took shelter in the caves of dash mountain during his wrath. That cave's name is Saur. S-A-W-O-R, Saur. Saur cave. Okay. Now number 5, there are dash statutes in the Medina Charter. That is 47. 47 clauses in Medina Charter. Now number 6, Allah has no dash. It's very easy. Allah has no partner. P-A-R-T, part, N-E-R, partner. Number 7, Hazrat Nuh alayhi wasallam constructed a big boat as per dash directive, as per Allah's directive. A-double-L-A-H, then apostrophe S, Allah's. Number 8, during Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam's time, the king of Babel was dash, Namrud. You know that answer. N-A-M-R-E-U-D, Namrud. Now number 9, Hazrat Dawud alayhi salam was a dash in his childhood. That is shepherd. S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D, shepherd. Shepherd, it means cowboy, like the cowboy, shepherd. Those are take care the cow or sheep or camel, etc. They are called the shepherd. Number 10, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam used to dash dead individuals as per Allah's command. So it was the miracles, special power, supernatural power, mu'jiza from Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. So Hazrat Isa alayhi salam used to dash means used to restore life to. R-E-S-T-O-R-E, restore, L-I-F-E, life to. Restore life to. So Hazrat Isa alayhi salam used to restore life to dead individuals as per Allah's command. So my dear students, it was the answer of fill in the blanks. Again I am telling only the answer. Number 1 Quraish, number 2 Qais, number 3 Hira, number 4 Saur, number 5 47, number 6 partner, 7 Allahs, number 8 Namrud, number 9 Shepherd, number 10 restore life to. Okay, now students, matching. I direct written here the matching answer. Keep attention, in your book there is no number 1, 2 or the Roman digit. Just generally in your book there is the sentence left side and right side, but I picked up here as the direction for clearing to you. Number 1 and left side number 1 2 3 4 and right side number Roman digit 1 2 3 4. So this is the answer. So I written the left side sentence. Now I will write the right side sentence. What will be the answer? So father of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know the answer, that is Abdullah. So father of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdullah. Then number 2, mother of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Amina. Then number 3, grandfather of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is Abdul Muttalib. Now number 4, uncle of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know, that is Abu Talib. Then number 5, nurse mother of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, here nurse mothers means foster mother, you can say, sucking mother. I mean nurse mother of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is the name that is Halima radiyallahu ta'ala anha. So Halima. Now number 6, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam's companion. I mean companion means the wife here mentioned. The Hazrat Adam alayhi salam's companion, Hazrat Hawa alayha salam. Hazrat Hawa alayha salam. Now number 7, the boat reached Mount Judi and dash and stopped. S-T-O-P-P-E-D. Stopped. Now number 8, Hazrat Dawud alayhi salam was King Talut's chief of army. C-H-I-E-F, chief of army. Now number 9, name of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam's mother. It's very easy. Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. M-A-R-I-U-M, Maryam alayhi salam. So again I am telling the matching answer. Right side, number 1 Abdullah, number 2 Amina, number 3 Abdul Muttalib, number 4 Abu Talib, number 5 Halima, number 6 Hazrat Hawa alayhi salam, number 7 stopped, number 8 chief of army, and number 9 Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. So my dear students, you will learn the fill in the blanks and matching from exercise. Not only from the exercise, you have to read inside of your book chapter 4 and 5. This is the your annual term syllabus. So you have to read again and again every lines, then you can give the proper answer of the fill in the blanks and matching. So keep practicing at home to avoid by your parents. See you inshallah next class. Till then, assalamu alaikum.